Pappy's Vacuum Cleaner Happy House, 1973. At the time that Wilma got her legs caught underneath an umbrella stand, she sat near a bench looking at a catalog of Swiss hair pieces that a judge she knew told her about. That's where she gets her wigs. The one she wanted was $15 and came with a short story of a nun who built up an apple stand in her coat rack. She'd seen all the business with the kids jumping around the Patrick tablet lanes, putting round the small forms a silk carrying case containing Pat's false eyelashes from September 1973. The vacuums in them, and was quite curt in her circle of new personalities, dolls and such. For hours, as the bat rump stew was cooking, the phone rang. It was Phone Ann. She sat on a numbered pillowcase waiting for plums to shoot out of the moon and come dangerously close to her vanilla folly. She had been vanilla and had also lived in Happy House. Her job was to put the vacuum cleaners back in their plaid base fontanelles. Her reach and her pastry making capabilities were unmatched. The bad thing was, she was the one who had to deal with the Judge Lulu. He would make her walk into a voting booth and then sit on her face and fart. There was a lamp whose shade was yellow and brittle. It had its own Adam's apple on the stand, redder than red and colder than the intricate designs in little Ruthie's yellow and white feathered Q jacket. Then there was Paul, little Amy Aldendorf, and small John was 14 and was now able to walk around with a watch in his elbow. They all, including Pat's, had witnessed doings. The two dangling white ropes that would appear before their foreheads of sleeping children and tickle them with their frayed and horrible ends.